What if I told you a spider the size of a dinner plate exists? And yes, it's real, and it walks the earth, not just your nightmares. Meet the Goliath Bird-Eater, the world's largest spider by mass. It can weigh over 170 grams and has legs spanning nearly a foot long. Native to the Amazon rainforest, it doesn't actually eat birds often, but it can. It mostly dines on insects, frogs, and worms. And when threatened, it hisses. Yes, hisses by rubbing its legs. Plus, it shoots irritating hairs into predators' eyes. Would you dare hold it or run the other way? Comment below.